at the lodge at Gulf State Park by Hilton in Gulf Shores, Alabama. We are in room 376 tonight, all the way at the end of the hallway, the last room.
Yeah, how about that? Alrighty.
So, as you walk in, you have, of course, interior corridor.
Yep.
Go ahead and shut the door. And you want to start with the security features first.
Yeah.
So, of course, the security features, you got your fire map, your peephole, your latch lock.
Does it not work?
Oh, you got that.
Okay.
You do have that.
Okay. Well, I'm sure it works. We'll figure it out
Yeah.
in a minute.
And, so you got your latch lock, your deadbolt, and your peephole, and your fire mat with your layout. You can see it's a pretty typical hallway layout here, and then the lobby is actually over on the end here, and then you got the rooms. So.
Okay. I'm thinking you and Daddy are turned around because this is building 3, and building 3 is the farthest away from the lobby, not the first, right? Or am I turned around? Because this is not showing that other long hallway we went down. We've gone down 2 hallways. So-
Yeah, so yeah, Daddy may be turned around then.
Yeah, I think y'all are, but we'll find out. Okay.
Alright.
So this is a unique room because this is a king in this room.
Yep, so when you actually look at it, you look at this room here just from this standpoint, this actually looks like just a regular hotel room, like not a suite or anything.
Mm-hmm.
But it actually is a suite.
Yep. Okay, show us the refrigerator and all that.
Okay, so of course you do have your refrigerator in here.
Mm-hmm.
Got your mini fridge.
Yep.
And
that bag is ours.
And so you got your mini fridge and your safe here.
Yep.
So let's see here. Okay, the safe doesn't work.
Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Okay. All right. Not that it matters. Okay, show us a closet.
And then you have your wardrobe closet in here.
Okay.
And it even has a closet light in it.
That's nice.
Yep.
Extra blanket and all that. So, yep.
Got plenty of hangers.
Yep. An ironing board.
Yep, plenty of hangers, ironing board, luggage rack.
And here's some coffee stuff over here. So, okay. And then we go in this room. And we have another TV.
Yep.
Another table.
And then if you look up against that wall, there you have a set of bunk beds. So it's kind of an interesting configuration here that you actually have a whole nother room in here.
Mm-hmm. That makes it nice.
Because usually when you have bunk beds, it's usually just when you have bunk beds, it's either out in the just out in the regular room, or a lot of times they have like their own little nook, but not a fully furnished room.
Yep.
Like this, and this, like I said, so But yeah, so this actually does have an actual door that you can close, just like a suite.
Oh yeah.
With the living room and then the regular bedroom in here have the privacy doors.
Yep. So you can have your own privacy tonight.
Yep.
Okay, let's do the bathroom because Daddy's phone is low. So.
Okay.
All right, there's the bathroom. Daddy used it, that's why it's up.
Okay.
So, but okay.
So yeah.
Here's our Perel.
Let's see. Do we want to do the toilet?
You can. What kind is it?
It's a cooler.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to flush it?
Yeah. Alrighty.
Then you have your sink over here with your separate hot and cold faucets, which is always nice to see.
I know you like that.
Yeah.
And the towels are right there. And then a tub shower.
Yep, got your tub shower combo.
Yep. Alright.
Yep, so what you think?
I like.
You like?
I think it's very nice. Yep.
And we, like I said, we just got here, but don't really see any problems with this room, do you?
No, not really. And we'll go out on the balcony tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because I think it's too late to... I mean, if you want to try to go out there, you can. But... I don't know if it will show us anything. Oh, it's not locked. But we're on the 3rd floor anyway, so...
Yeah.
Okay. Now, like last time we found out, they don't have any lights on these porches, though. Which is weird.
I know.
Yeah, you can't really see anything except the moon up there. And hopefully it's not locked out. Okay, good. Yep, there's the moon. And there's the ocean.
Yep,
But
so...
you can't really see it.
Yeah, because it is dark. It is dark out here, and like we said, we actually because we actually have stayed at this hotel one time before. Although last time I think last time we just took pictures. We actually didn't do a full video tour last time.
Yeah, because Papa was kind of extremely tired because we got in late.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he was with us.
All right, let's go back in. So, yeah, we're then in the building. The lobby's not. You and Daddy were turned around. So, but yeah, that's a nice bed.
Yeah.
So, yeah. All right.
Yeah, but yeah, this is a nice room.
Okay, is that it?
Yeah.
All right.